Good morning, students. In the last period, we have seen the exercise problem on the exercise 1.1. Today, we are going to study the exercise 1.1. Find dy by dx of the following functions. First problem, y equal to log of sec 3x plus tan 3x. This is the first problem. dy by dx is equal to, याला जर आपण डेरिवेटिव काढलं तर x मान log x, its derivative 1 upon x, 1 upon sec 3x plus tan 3x into d by dx of sec 3x plus tan 3x. That is d by dx of sec 3x plus tan 3x. The derivative of sec 3x is sec 3x into tan 3x into derivative of 3x is 3 plus derivative of tan 3x is 3x अगर अपन x मान लो tan x into sec square x, sec square 3x into derivative of 3x is 3. In the denominator, sec 3x plus tan 3x. Taking common 3 sec 3x in the bracket, tan 3x plus sec 3x in the denominator, sec 3x plus tan 3x. A bracket cancel it. That is equal to 3 sec 3x. Second problem, y equal to log of root 1 minus sin x upon 1 plus sin x. आता या फंक्शन मध्ये याला जर आपण x मानलं, log x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1 upon x into d by dx of this function आवड होते, कॉम्प्लीट होते. त्यापेक्षा जर हे सिंप्लिफाय केलं लॉगॅरिथमचे नियम वापरून, here y equal to log 1 minus sin x in the denominator 1 plus sin x raised to 1/2. जर आपण ते रूट काढून टाकलं तो 1/2 राहतो. Therefore y equal to 1/2 into log 1 minus sin x upon 1 plus sin x. By using the power rule of the logarithm, using n log x to the base a equal to log x raised to n to the base. लॉगॅरिथमचा हा पॉवर रूल वापरून हा घात आपण साइडला, then y equal to 1/2 using the quotient rule for the logarithm, that is log 1 minus sin x माइनस लॉग 1 प्लस साइन एक्स. लॉगॅरिथमचा भागाकाराचा नियम आपण वापरला. सिन्स log m upon n to the base a is equal to log m to the base a upon log n to the base a. Using this rule for the logarithm. Now y is equal to 1/2 log of 1 minus sin x minus 1/2 log of 1 plus sin x. dy by dx is equal to u चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह मायनस v चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1/2 into d by dx of log of 1 minus sin x minus 1/2 into d by dx of log of 1 plus sin x. That is dy by dx is equal to 1/2 derivative of log of 1 minus sin x is 1 upon 1 minus sin x. या 1 minus sin x जर आपण x मानलं log x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1 upon x into d by dx of 1 minus sin x minus 1/2 into 1 upon 1 plus sin x into d by dx of 1 plus sin x. याला जर आपण x मानलं log x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1 upon x by using chain rule into d by dx of 1 plus sin x. That is equal to derivative of 1 is 0 minus the derivative of sin x is cos x. In the denominator 2 into 1 minus sin x as it is minus derivative of 1 is 0 because the derivative of constant number k is 0 plus derivative of sin x is cos x. In the denominator 2 into bracket 1 plus sin x as it is. That is equal to minus cos x upon 2 into bracket 1 minus sin x minus cos x in the denominator 2 into 1 plus sin x. Now simplify this term, this step we get. Its LCM is 2 into bracket 1 minus sin x into 1 plus sin x is its LCM. The भाग बचला 1 plus sin x इतने अलग minus cos x into bracket 1 plus sin x minus cos x into bracket 1 minus sin x. लसर काढता इथं भाग बसला या ब्रॅकेटचं ते घ्यायला that is equal to minus cos x minus sin x into cos x minus cos x minus minus plus sin x into cos x. In the denominator 2 into bracket the product of 1 minus sin x into 1 plus sin x is 1 minus sin square x. Using the formula a minus b into a plus b, its product is a square minus b square. Now minus sin x plus into sin x cos x plus sin x cos x get cancelled. Sum of minus cos x minus 2 cos x upon 2 into 1 minus sin square x cos square x. Using the identity sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. Therefore 1 minus sin square x equal to cos square x. 2 get cancelled, cos x cancelled. That is equal to minus 1 upon cos x. That is equal to minus sec x. Third problem. If y equal to log x plus root x square plus a square, in the denominator root x square plus a square minus x, find its derivative. Simplify the given function by using the rules for the logarithm, using log m divided by n to the base a is equal to log m to the base a minus log n to the base a. हा logarithmचा law आपण हे जर आपण simplify केलं, y equal to log x plus root x square plus a square minus log root x square plus a square minus x. Then dy by dx is equal. याला जर आपण x मानलं log x, its derivative 1 upon x, 1 upon x plus root x square plus a square into the derivative of x plus root x square plus a square minus, इथं पण याला x मानलं, याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1 upon x, log x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1 upon x square root x square plus x square minus x into dy dx of root x square plus a square minus x. Next, the derivative of x is 1. Here 1 upon x plus root x square plus a square as it is in. Derivative of x is 1 plus याला x मानलं, root x चा derivative 1 upon 2 root x, 2 root x square plus a square into derivative of x square plus a square, x square चा twice x plus a square चा 3 minus 1 upon root x square plus a square minus x as it is in. याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह वाजा याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह रूट x square plus a square ला पण x मान, रूट x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1 upon 2 root x, 1 upon 2 root x square plus a square into derivative of x square plus a square is twice x plus 0 minus derivative of x is 1. That is it. 1 upon x plus root x square plus a square into, here 2 get cancelled, here 2 get cancelled, into bracket 1 plus x upon root x square plus a square x square plus a square minus x as it is in the bracket x upon root x square plus a square minus 1. Now 1 upon x plus root x square plus a square in मतलब लसावाला रूट एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस ए स्क्वेअर तो भाग बनता या ब्रॅकेटचा त्याने एकला गुणलं रूट एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस ए स्क्वेअर प्लस एक्स माइनस 1 अपॉन रूट एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस ए स्क्वेअर माइनस एक्स इन रूट एक्स स्क्वेयर प्लस ए स्क्वेयर एक्स माइनस रूट एक्स स्क्वेयर प्लस ए स्क्वेयर या ब्रॅकेटला हा ब्रॅकेट कॅन्सल 1 अपॉन रूट एक्स स्क्वेयर प्लस ए स्क्वेयर माइनस या वरच्या टर्ममधून जर आपण माइनस कॉमन काढला कंसामध्ये रूट एक्स स्क्वेयर प्लस ए स्क्वेयर माइनस एक्स चिन्ह बदलते इन द डिनोमिनेटर रूट एक्स स्क्वेयर प्लस ए स्क्वेयर माइनस एक्स इंटू रूट एक्स स्क्वेयर प्लस ए स्क्वेयर या ब्रॅकेटला हा ब्रॅकेट कॅन्सल 1 अपॉन रूट एक्स स्क्वेयर प्लस ए स्क्वेयर minus minus get plus 1 upon root x square plus a square that is equal to 2 upon root x square plus a square. लसाई काढला आहे 1 upon root x square plus a square plus 1 upon root x square plus a square equal to 2 divided by root x square plus a square. याच्यामध्ये लॉगॅरिथमचे काही फॉर्म्युला आपण वापरतोय तुम्हाला काही लॉगॅरिथमचे फॉर्म्युले मिळत आहे लॉज ऑफ द इंडायसिस x raised to minus n equal to 1 upon x raised to n. Second, x raised to 0 equal to 1. Third, x raised to m into x raised to n is equal to x raised to m plus n. गुणाकार असेल पाया समान असेल घातांकाची बेरीज. Fourth law, x raised to m upon x raised to n is equal to x raised to m minus n. X raised to m bracket raised to n is equal to x raised to mn. Mth root of x raised to n is equal to x raised to n divided by m. If x raised to m is equal to x raised to n, then m is equal to n. If x raised to n is equal to y raised to n, then x is equal to y. हे सगळे लॉज इंडायसिसचे नियम आहेत ते तुम्हाला 8व्या नवेला log of the logarithm first. If a raised to x is equal to b, then x equal to log b to the base a. This is the definition of the logarithm. Second, if log b to the base a is equal to x, then b equal to a raised to x. This is known as the exponential form. This exponential form can be expressed into the logarithmic form as x equal to log b to the base a. And if log b to the base a equal to x is the logarithmic form, express this logarithmic form into the exponential form as b equal to a raised to x. Third now, log 1 to the log 1 to the base a equal to 2. log 1 एक या संख्येचा लॉग कुठल्याही बेसला त्याची किंमत 0. log a to the base a is equal to 1. e raised to log x to the base a is equal to x. Log m into n to the base a is equal to log m to the base a plus log n to the base a. Log m upon n to the base a is equal to log m to the base a minus log n to the base a. n log m to the base a equal to log m raised to n to the base a. This is known as the power rule. If log m to the base a equal to log n to the base a, then m equal to n. If log m to the base a equal to log m to the base b, then a equal to b. लॉगरिथम ची व्हॅल्यू सारखी आहे, इथली किंमत सारखी म्हणजे बेस सारखा असला पाहिजे. इथं लॉगरिथम ची किंमत सारखी आहे, बेस समान आहे, ही किंमत सारखी असली पाहिजे. And last, change of base formula. Change of base formula. Log m to the base n is equal to log m to the base a upon log n to the base a. This is known as the change of base formula. हे सगळे लॉगरिथमचे काही फॉर्म्युले, इंडायसेसचे काही नियम, ते आपल्याला इंटिग्रेशन, डेरिव्हेटिव्ह, फंक्शन सिम्प्लिफाय करण्यासाठी लागतात. याचा वापर करून जर आपण ते फंक्शन सिम्प्लिफाय केलं तर आपल्याला त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढायला ते सोपं पडतं. अशा पद्धतीने हे लॉज ऑफ द लॉगरिथम अँड इंडायसेस, लॉज ऑफ द इंडायसेस असं तुम्हाला ते जे तुम्हाला 10वीला झालेलं आहे तरी रिव्हिजन म्हणून तुम्हाला ते आता लिहून दिले. Next problem. If y equal log e raised to 3x into bracket 3x minus 4 raised to 2 by 3 in the denominator cube root of twice x plus 5. या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये जर आपण डायरेक्ट चेन रूल वापरला, याला x मानायचं, log x 1/x गुणिले हे सगळं आहे फंक्शन, त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढताना ते अवघड जातं. आपण जर हे फंक्शन सिंप्लिफाय केले, हे लॉगॅरिथमचे नियम वापरून काय करू सुरुवातीला y इक्वल log e raised to 3x into 3x minus 4 bracket raised to 2 by 3 in the denominator twice x plus 5 bracket raised to 2 by 3 इंडायसेसचा नियम वापरून ते आपण काढलं कंडिशन using m to root of x raised to n equal to x raised to n upon m. Using this rule for the indices, then y equal log e raised to 3x into 3x minus 4 bracket raised to 2 by 3 minus log twice x plus 5 bracket raised to 2 by 3. log चा हा नियम वापरला, log चा भागाकार log ची वजाबाकी, हा क्वोशंट रूल लॉगॅरिथमचा वापरून याला m म्हटलं, याला n म्हटलं, log m minus log m. Then y equal, by using the product rule for the logarithm, log m into n to the base a equal to log m to the base a plus log n to the base a. Here log e raised to 3x plus log 3x minus 4 bracket raised to 2 by 3 minus log twice x plus 5 bracket raised to 2 by 3. And last, by using the power rule for the logarithm, also कहा side ला घेता येईल. Therefore, y equal to 3x into log e plus 2 by 3 into log 3x minus 4 minus 2 by 3 into log twice x plus 5. Now y equal 3x, the value of log is 1 because the base of this logarithm is also e. Then using the rule log a to the base a equal to 1, therefore the value of log a is 1 plus 2 by 3 into log 3x minus 4 minus 2 by 3 into log twice x plus 5. Then its derivative dy by dx is equal to 3 as it is, derivative of x is 1 plus 2 by 3 as it is, the derivative of log 3x minus 4 3x minus 4 as x. याला जर आपण x मानलं log x तर 1 upon x 1 upon 3x minus 4 into derivative of 3x minus 4 3 into 1 minus 0 x का derivative 1 minus 4 constant its derivative 0 minus 2 by 3 into 1 upon twice x plus 5 into 2 into 1 plus 0. याला x मानलं log x चा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 1 upon x गुणिले ज्याला x मानलं त्याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह 2 as it is derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of 5 is 0. That is 3 plus 2 by 3 into 3 divided by 3x minus 4 minus 2 by 3 into 2 divided by twice x plus 5. Here 3 get cancelled. That is equal to 3 plus 2 upon 3x minus 4 minus 4 upon 3 into bracket twice x plus 5. This is the derivative of the given function y equal to e raised to 3x into 3x minus 4 raised to 2 by 3 upon cube root of twice x पर असे एक्झाम्पल दिलं होतं. हे सिंप्लिफाय केलं लॉगॅरिथमचे नियम वापरून उत्पन्नाला घेतो. याचं रूपांतर असं सिम्पलेस्ट फॉर्म मध्ये केलं आणि मग याचा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काढला, याचा अधिक याचा वजा याचा त्या पद्धतीने. पुढल्या तासाला पण राहिलेलं एक्झाम्पल. Fifth problem, y equal to log into bracket 4 raised to twice x into x square plus 5 upon root 2x square minus 4 raised to 3 half. First, simplify the given example, given problem by using the laws of the logarithm. Y equal to log 4 raised to twice x square plus 5 in the denominator 2x square minus 4 bracket raised to 1 half raised to 3 half. हे रूट काढून टाकलं सगळं. नेक्स्ट y equal to log into bracket 4 raised to twice x using the laws of the indices. This log x upon y bracket raised to n that is equal to x raised to n upon y raised to n. Here x square plus 5 bracket raised to 3 half in the denominator 2x square minus 4 1 half into 3 x raised to m bracket raised to x raised to mn. Y equal to log 4 raised to twice x into x square plus 5 raised to 3 half divided by 2x square minus 4 bracket raised to 3 by 4. Now, y equal to, using the laws of the logarithm, quotient rule, logarithm of the quotient is equal to subtraction of the logarithm. Log m upon n equal to log n minus log n. That is equal to log 4 raised to twice x into x square plus 5 raised to 3 half minus log 2x square minus 4 bracket raised to 3 by 4 log m minus log n. By using the product rule for the logarithm log m into n, log m plus log n, log 4 raised to twice x plus log x square plus 5 raised to 3 half minus log 2x square minus 4 bracket raised to 3 by 4. By using the power rule of the logarithm, हा घात साइड ला घेता है twice x into log 4 plus 3 half into log x square plus 5 minus 3 by 4 into log 2x square minus 4. Since log m raised to n to the base equal to n log m to the base, using this laws of the indices, then dy by dx is equal to 2 into log 4 constant as it is into derivative of x is 1 plus 3 by 2 constant as it is the derivative of log x square plus 5 as 1 upon x square plus 5 into derivative of x square plus 5 twice x plus 0 x square चा derivative 2x plus 5 चा 0 minus 3 by 4 into 1 upon 2x square minus 4 in ज्याला x मानलं log x चा derivative 1 upon x दोन्हीकडे ज्याला x मानलं त्याचा derivative याला x मानलं 2 into derivative of x square is twice x minus 0 the constant term 4 its derivative is 0. Then dy by dx is equal to 2 log 4 plus 3 half into twice x upon x square plus 5 minus 3 by 4 into 4x 2 into twice x, its product is 4x upon 2x square minus 4. Here 2 get cancel, 4 get cancel. dy by dx is equal to 2 log 4 plus thrice x upon x square plus 5 minus 3x upon 2x square minus 4. This is the required derivative of the given function. पुढच्या तासाला एक्झाम्पल पाहूया आपण.